Hi folks! We've been busy researching tabletop drum kits to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps, so you can jump to the product that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what tabletop drum kit you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best tabletop drum kits. The 5th product on our list is the PAXCESS electronic drum set. The PAXCESS electronic drum set is an entry-level kit for kids and beginners alike. It comes with no fewer than 7 drum pads. This gives you a good selection of hi-hats, snare, toms, crash and ride. The drum kit doesn't need to be plugged into mains power, making it very convenient to use. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 10 hours in continuous use on a full charge. The onboard speaker is another factor in the portability of this kit. It can go from booming to softer tones, which is great if you live in a noise-sensitive environment. You could also plug headphones in for private practice. This PAXCESS drum set is ideal for practicing at home. It has a user-friendly interface and a roll-up design. This makes for easy storage and lets you bring it to jam sessions without any hassle. It has a built-in metronome and can double as a game controller. If you're interested in trying out drums before shelling out on a full kit, the PAXCESS drum kit is an economical but worthy option. The 4th product on our list is the Pyle Pro PTED01. Pyle Pro PTED01 is an electronic drum set with a lot of functionality. It has 7 pads with touch sensitivity, so you'll get an accurate response from it. The kit comes with 2 digital foot pedals to make the experience feel more genuine. The PTED01 comes with 25 built-in presets. You can access these by connecting the drum kit to your computer via a USB cable. It features a built-in metronome that's perfect to practice your timing and rhythm. It has a headphone socket so you can practice at home without disturbing anyone. It also has integrated speakers, making it a nice option for jamming in small crowds or busking. On the top, you'll find an LED screen that lets you access the different settings. The screen also lights up, so you can see what you're doing in dimmer lighting. You can power this kit 2 ways, with 6 size C batteries or an AC adapter. The lightweight design of the PTED01 make it ideal for playing on the go. With the control panel on the top, you can play along to pre-recorded tracks. There's also a record button, so you can play back your performance later. The Pyle Pro PTED01 is affordable and excellent for entry-level drummers. The 3rd product on our list is the Pyle Pro PTED06. The Pyle Pro PTED06 is a compact drum kit with 7 drum pads. The option of snare drums or hi-hat cymbals makes it easy to play different genres. Like its older brother, this kit has an LED screen on the bottom. It's bright enough to see even in harsher lighting conditions. The drum pads are sensitive and responsive, so you can also play with your hands. The kit is handy to bring along during gigs and doesn't consume much space and storage. You get 2 power options, batteries for when you're outdoors or an AC adapter if you have an outlet nearby. This unit comes with more than 300 drum and cymbal sounds. This is really fun for experimenting with different sounds and finding new ways of exploring your creativity. It also comes with 2 external kick pedals, so you can get that natural drum feel. The kit has 65 banks and computer connectivity. To get your perfect sound, you can adjust the tempo, rhythm, EQ and volume. The Pyle Pro PTED06 is a great mid-priced option for more experienced drummers and beginners alike. New players can use the learning mode, while pros can make use of the digital features. The 2nd product on our list is the Alesis CompactKit 7. The CompactKit 7 from Alesis is a complete-featured tabletop drum kit. The 7 velocity-sensitive pads give you realistic drum sounds and responses. It also comes with 2 external pedals you can use for the hi-hat and kick drum. You can customize your playing style with the hundreds of built-in percussion voices and preset drum kits. For practice, you can play along with the pre-programmed songs on the kit. There's an LED screen that shows you the status of your current settings. To show you which pad is being used, LEDs light up as they are struck. This kit also has a record button that saves your track even after you turn the device off. The CompactKit 7 features a USB MIDI output, so you can connect the drum kit to your computer. It's compatible with digital audio workstations and plugins to give you more playing options. It works with batteries or an AC adapter so that you can take the kit anywhere. It even has a hand percussion mode, so you can start busting out those African tom rhythms and really get your groove on. The Alesis CompactKit is a no-brainer purchase. It has a great build design and various features. The first product on our list is the Yamaha DD75. The Yamaha DD75 is a high-quality tabletop drum kit. You get 8 touch-sensitive pads that are set up like an acoustic drum set. Its design is compact and light, so you can play anywhere. It comes with 2 foot pedals for hi-hat and kick. The unit is powered with batteries. The controls are intuitive and you'll get the hang of them really quickly. You can adjust the volume to make sure you're not disturbing others. Of course, if you want to keep music to yourself, just plug in your headphones. The drum set comes with top-notch sound kits. They range from different genres including funk, rock, machine sounds and more. There's also a percussion mode that lets you play with indigenous kits. As a bonus, you can also create custom ones. This Yamaha drum kit features MIDI connectivity so you can access your presets with your computer. You get excellent sound quality with its robust speaker and bass port. There's an auxiliary input jack for hooking up external players. This lets you play along to different songs and hear them through the onboard speaker. If you're in the market for a well-built drum kit, the Yamaha DD75 is a great investment. And there you have it folks, the 5 tabletop drum kits that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.